Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this video is really pretty different. I'm going to show you the sites that are making over 100,000 per month by doing these simple things that you can also do it and you can make 100,000 or more less, but I will talk about everything in a minute guys. So before that, if you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to like my videos, and we just jump into videos. So on my YouTube channel, what I do, I make videos around make money, save money, tutorials related to financial and to build a successful online business, something similar to that, right? So a website like these ones, the well kept wallet, or breaking the 1%, or the dollar sprout, or the money pantry, these sites, what they do the same thing. Whatever I do on my YouTube channels, they do it on their website. There's a blog post, something like that. And dollar sprout now have their own YouTube channel. Now you can go and check it out. What they do basically, whatever they write on here, they make a video about that. So how you can make money from it. So for example, there's a this one called 23 easy side hustle app to make money in your spare time. So they put the app there. They like a description, so I can show the best way. There's a article that is very good. I can say that I can't find it here at the moment, so I go this website here, and this is the 18 best savvy site that pay well. So what they do basically, there's there's articles, then they have each survey junkies, then there's a small review about that. Now what they do basically, they do a separate review for survey junkie or all 18 survey site. Then they do the like a top 10 video, so they put top 18 survey site. You can see it from here, right? Now what they do basically, when they put Survey Junkie, they put a affiliate link in the article. So you can, if you click this one, it will take to the Survey Junkie review. From that, it will take to the their actual website. So when you sign up for the Survey Junkie, they will make a commission. So at the moment in UK, the Survey Junkie doesn't work here, but I can show you another website, for example, Life Points. Okay, if I click Life Points, it will take to this page. Basically, it's an affiliate link. You can see you can see from here is an affiliate link. So what they basically did, they put affiliate link in the blog post. So when they viewers like you and me, when they click and go over there, when they sign up for that, we make money. So they are not only making money from sign up, there are lots of different ways. So if you go to here and click make money, there's a different sections. You can see 21 legit way to make money today, and these are category. Inside that there's a different program. They make a small review, so when you go up and sign up, and they will make a commission. It's an affiliate website. Not only that, these sites also promote a credit cards. That means there's an article about how to get a credit card, how to get qualified for the credit card, how to rid of debt, something like that. So even you can, some website only do a credit card comparison. So when you go and sign up this website, when you compare the credit card comparison, when you find your one, when you click that, and it will take you to their specific website for that credit card. So for example, if you have a Citibank and MPNA, if you compare one of them and you want to get the credit card from the Citibank, if we go to the website and get the credit card, the affiliate link, the person you went there and get those information, the affiliate link owner, for example, if this website, they will make a larger commission for the credit card. So something like that. So whatever you do, if you are running a financial YouTube channel, so make money online, whatever you do with your YouTube channel, do with your website. So when you write a small articles, you don't have to write a 1,000, 2,000 word articles. So for example, these are website, they write a review, then put the link. So each sign up, each what they call leads, you get paid for that. See that for the Instacart, I think that you can pay for the Instacart sign up. I don't know how that work, but so it's something like that. So if you go to the Max Bounty and if you type a survey, there's hundreds of what they call website are giving money for the lead. So for example, if we pick 25 survey site from the max bounty and put it there, top 25 survey site and small review for each of them, when the people click the survey, one of the survey website, and they put their email address, you make money from max bounty. So you can utilize different affiliate network into your website and you can make money from it. This is one other way to make money. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this video is not like I'm gonna show how you can make money or something like that. This is my website right now. I'm building from the scratch. So the initial part is done. Now I'm gonna add I'm gonna convert my videos into articles, so my top performing videos into articles, and put it there. Right now I have the video also, so my YouTube channel can convert very well, so I can put those there. I will make a video in the future how the site is built up and how it's gonna look like. And one important point, you see that these are the social media platform I can promote my blog for. So on YouTube automatically do that, and they have a Facebook page, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, this is a TikTok at the moment. Then I have an icon for that. Then I have a LinkedIn, the Reddit. These are the platforms that you can get free organic traffic. So once you've done that, you can promote your article over there and you can make traffic to your website and you can make money. So one important point why you need to have a website on top of the YouTube channels, because if you start to put too much affiliate link in YouTube doesn't like that. It's an algorithm, because what you're gonna do, you bring your viewers to your video and then you drive the traffic to the external site that YouTube doesn't like that. So you can't do much of the promotion on your YouTube channels. If you start to put more affiliate links inside the one video, it won't perform well. So what you can do, you can do like a review from your YouTube channel, drive traffic to your website. From your website you can promote your offers. By having a website, this website is easy to promote affiliate offers, because those social medias and Google and Facebook advertisement doesn't allow affiliate links. So you can drive traffic to your website, then you can drive it to external. So you don't have to have a landing page. That's guys. In the past video I made a video that you can make a website and the landing page on bookmark.com. I will show you the website. I put the link in the description. Go and sign it up. It's free to sign up. If you can't make a video, or if you can't make a website using WordPress, so go and sign it up here. The AI will build your website for free, and if you want to have your own domain, then you need to pay for it. Until that, you can use a subdomain. But this is a basic website. I made a review, I made a tutorials. I put the link. Go and check it out, guys. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. If you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to click the like button. Sorry.